Hi, welcome back to this Unity playlist. So in this video, we are going to do the growing. That means defining the what is an area of growing field basically first, and then add some graphics for all of this, and then we'll build the human AI to cut the plants, prepare the ground, and put the carrots for this example in the ground. So yeah, you'll see there is a lot of optimization to be done for this. For the first one is we use a shitty tick system, right? But yeah, there is a lot who can be done for improve this. And, all of the function who are giving us the world state, right, are really not optimized right now. And I guess that's okay for now, but we need to improve this in the future. But for now, I just want to make a playground where the basics is working. If you check my first Patreon post, I'm saying what I want to build for the first version of the game. And once the first prototype of the game is working, we'll do some optimizations and some refactoring. But yeah, hope you enjoy, and yeah. Hey, so last time we did the humans, the skin, right? If I check this, we should have, yeah. So we have some humans, right? And I don't know why the aliasing is fucked up on the chicken, but what I would like now is to make them do some stuff. So for this, I think we need to start somewhere, right? So I think the plan is we start with the farming, for example, or for the mining, and then we go from there, right? Because for the farming, for example, we are gonna want to do the zone or area, I don't know what you want to call this, and then we want to cut the plant, put the seeds in the ground, I don't know, water them, for example. Wait for the plants to grow, then cut them, then hold them, right? So, or if we start with mining, we need to order the humans to mine a mountain, then all the stone, etc. But I think I'm gonna start with the growing because, yeah. Yeah, do I start with the growing? Yeah, why not? I'm gonna open my last project just to check something. Sorry, it was not supposed to be on screen. That's another project. It's a web project, but yeah. So we want some way to define an area, right? And an area is a rectangle, maybe? I don't think actually, because we don't want all our growing area to be rectangular. So let me think. How do we do this? I guess we do just a zone class, right? In entities, we do a zone or area, or I'm gonna call this area, I don't like the term. So yeah, just to check this, yeah, okay. And I think we want a string or an name actually, yeah. We want a name, area type, and let's say grow area, stock area for now, but maybe we'll have more, right? For example, we could have a cleaning area, a repair area, or stuff like this. So, do we need a rect here? I don't know. I don't think so. I think we just want a list of tiles, right? A list of position or hash set. Yeah. So yeah, I think we want something like this, right? And then we want some public method, right? I think I want public, no, not a static, public void add with position. I also want a del. And maybe I want something like public void add with rect, I think. Yeah. No, that's not it. Recti, right. Yeah. Because we don't want all the area to be rectangular, but I think it's important we can add rect and the rect from area. So yeah. I think that's the idea. So let's do this position and position. Position that remove. Yeah, position. Something like this for now. Of course we want to instantiate this. And by default I think this should be new, right? Well, empty, I mean. Maybe we want a name for an area, stuff like this, but for now... Yeah, for now I think this is okay. Maybe we want the color also. Yeah, I think the color is good. Yeah. And yeah, I'm gonna do some stuff to set the color. But so that's the classic area, right? Now we need to, this should be abstract, I guess. Because, yeah, why not? Yeah, so do we need this actually? Yeah, I don't think we do. So this should be an abstract class, right? And then you can do big class area. And so here I will set the color actually. But for now, yeah, and maybe I want a static reference to the list of all the grow area in the map. So do we do this here or do we do a class for this? I think we can do this here, right? Yeah. Actually, Yeah. Yeah, okay. But maybe then okay, I'm gonna change some stuff here. I think this should be a tileable. Yeah. So, this will not work with them. Yeah. 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 Because we need to have a tileable, right? Well, yeah. So let's copy this. So how do we call this? Grow tile, growable, field, sure. Yeah, this is all correct. This is shitty, this is shitty, yeah. So basically that's our field class, but now I'm thinking yeah. How do I want to do this? Maybe I want abstract, no, virtual. Yeah. Yeah, so let's do because we need to know what we grow, for example, right? So let's pass the long depth here, right? And I think I need I need a void at virtual tileable to I guess position, right? And this should be well, this should do this, right? So instead of doing this here, we can do this tileable position, and we need the same for del tileable. So instead of doing this, we do this del tileable. Yeah. What did I do? Yeah. What is your problem? So yeah, and here if we do this, we can do public override void table something like this, and we can add the table here. Add the table and same shit for right. And maybe we should check some stuff, right? See if the table exists or stuff like this, right? Yeah. So that's the idea anyway. So yeah, what we need to do if so we need to spawn, right? So instead of spawning a mountain, here we do this. But maybe actually we need to check if the... Well, there is two ways of doing this, right? We can do, because this will be added by the player, right? So we can just check in the, like you will, you know, when you do a website and you check each field of a form, right? You can check them on the server side, or you can check them with JavaScript on the client side, but the better way is to check both, right? So, because if we want our game to be modded, right, if we only check the UI, if the UI only check if this is the correct position for the zone, that means someone who make a mod could do some shitty stuff and add two fields at the same place, which is stupid, right? So I guess we need to check this here, but for now I will not care, but we need to keep that in mind. So yeah, we should check if we already have a field in this position. And here we don't care, I think, but I am actually... well, it's exactly the same shit, so... But this dot spawn, that's not it, it's Loki, dot map, dot spawn position, it's not a mountain, it's a field. And do we need a definition for this? That's my question. I guess there is some graphics, right? And there is a name, and there is some... yeah... I'm not sure we need a definition for this. I should have an empty definition, that's the same debate as last time. Yeah... I think I should have an empty definition. Yeah. So, empty default def for well, actually, this is enough. Public static double def empty get yeah. I need to set this somehow. I'm gonna do the setter here. Well, yeah. And I should add this to Loki. Where is Loki? Here. So here now I can just do def.empty. And we'll see, maybe we'll need some properties, but for now I don't think we do, so yeah. Yeah. So how do we set the colors? I guess we want the grow area to be greenish, for example, and the stockpile to be grayish, or something like this, right? Yeah. We need the player to be, because my plan for the field is I will make a texture like, actually I don't want you to show you my social profile, but 1 second. I want to make right, something like this, right, for the texture. But the player needs to work first, so at the beginning it will be just the terrain, right? So I don't know. I'm so bad at finding reference picture, but yeah, I want something like this, right, for the fields. Kind of. So yeah. So that means, but I also want to be able to see the field before we do the work on the dirt, so that means here I need to set some kind of graphics in field. Yeah, and I think I have this graphics, main graphics, right? So yeah, I guess we should have a public grow area. And here we should add the grow area, right? Because the tileable needs to know the shipping. Right, and this way we can do something like I don't remember my IP. Yeah, something like this, right? So I guess for this we can use a DL. Oh, right. So let's do this dot area.color, right? And for the texture, I think I want to generate one. And for the graphics, I have no idea what. I guess I want an empty one also. Yeah. Yeah. And do I have a texture utility to generate some empty texture? I don't think so. Oh yeah, I do. Okay. Cool. So this should be res dot, yeah, this dot area dot color. Do we have a cache on this? No, maybe I should have a cache, but yeah. So let's start something quickly. Let's just in I guess in the game manager here, when we do all the test stuff. For now, let's remove the chicken because they are annoying me. I need to draw them in the other position. So let's just add the humans, and before adding the human, let's do grow area, new grow area, and let's say I need a def, right? Yeah, I need a plant def. So def.plants. Yeah, for now we just add grass, but we need to change this later. I just want to see if this was working right. Dev.plant, grass, right? And let's say for each vector to in position in new rect I. Sure. Let's say something like this, and 6, yeah, sure. Area that add. Maybe this should be a private actually. Yeah, this should be a private. Or I can just do other. I can just add a direct. Yeah, I'm stupid. Yeah. And while I'm thinking, this should be protected. And this should be protected too. Yeah. What is your problem? No. Yeah. So right now we should have a white area, I think, because I don't set the color, and the default maybe the default color is transparent, so I'm gonna get fucked, right? Well. Oh yeah, that's a empty graphics dev problem. I can fix this if I do this. Or not, maybe. Yes, in 60. Oh yeah, I needed a layer for the yeah. Yeah, so I think for all of this I'm gonna make a layer between the ground here. I'm gonna call this helpers, because this will not be some real item in the game, but just some visual helpers for the player. So yeah, I'm gonna do this for now, and yeah. So we still have a problem. What is your problem? I already checked this. Yeah, that's smart. So what is undefined actually? Yeah, I don't have a grid for this. Yeah, that makes sense. Well, I do add a grid like this. Yeah. So I can see shit right now. So there is two options. Let's set the color red for now. I'm gonna do something like this, right? And let's check if we can see the area. Yeah, okay. So this will be a gray area. Yeah. I'm not gonna make it here actually. So I need I'm gonna do yeah. I don't want to have item on my gray for now. Later, yes, but now. What? Okay. Where do I add items? No fucking idea. Oh, I guess this is it, right? No. Yes. Yes. Okay. So, we have an area. Do we do the color now? We could do something like can I do this? I'm not sure. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Well, for now, I'm gonna do something shitty and set this here. So let's say 0. Yeah, that's really not work. Well, actually, yeah, this would work, but this is stupid. Yeah, this should work, but this would be ugly, but I don't care for now. So this should be green, right? Or not? What? Well, I don't care right now. Let's I need something transparent, but let's see, check this later. 0.5f, right? Yeah, okay. So yeah, we do this. So now we need to make the pawn do something with this. So we have an area, right? And we need to make them grow stuff, which is, yeah. For now, I'm gonna ignore the seed, but I think in my real game at the end I want some kind of a seed system. But for now, we just, I guess we're gonna just cut the plants and, yeah. Yeah. So in AI, human, yeah, task, node, eat veggies. Okay, I'm gonna copy this. Yeah, and I'm gonna make a, I guess, yeah, I can keep this. So I'm gonna call this grow node, field node, grow node make more sense. So I'm gonna need some subclasses, right? Like for this, we did use a private class, right? So I'm gonna make the same system here. I'm gonna make cut plants at position, and maybe we'll change this, but I'm gonna need harvest plants at position. And I'm gonna need and I guess I'm gonna need prepare dirt or dirt. I'm gonna call this dirt because I don't know how to say this in English, so. So I guess that's the idea, right? And then we do how does this work? Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna have a blind node. These are all conditional, right? Yeah. So I should add the condition, right? I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna call this. What do I call this? What's a yeah. How does this work? Yeah, I have a default constructor, so what is your problem? For now, I'm gonna make right. Yeah, but am I stupid or what? I'm missing something, I don't know what. I guess I can do this wire, but okay. Yeah, actually this makes more sense, better. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do something like this for now. Right, and then I can look at that add subnode. New created position. Yeah. This is kind of shitty, but yeah, I'm gonna do this a better way, but for now I just want this to work, as usual. Yeah. So basically I just need to have a condition for each one of them. Yeah. And then after that I need to fill this, right? Because yeah, I should yeah, test data. So I'm gonna need to override this, right? Yeah. And by default we want to well, let's switch around here. Alright. Yeah. And here for yeah. So here we need to check closest plant ticket to the character position, and the same goes for all this shit. Except dart, so, and harvest. Yeah, so this should be okay. So we need a way to know if we have plans to cut. And I'm wondering if I have something to do this. Yeah, no. Do I have something called util for this? World utils, yeah. Yeah, world utils for this kind of shit. Okay. So yeah. Yeah. Where is my yeah. Yeah. So Because I could do this in area too, but I think it makes more sense to have a world for all these shits. I guess I'm gonna do the bool function first. I'm sure there is a better way to do this, but so let's do this in order, right? First we need to check if we have some plants to get, so I guess we do for each grow area in grow area, right? Yeah. It would be useful to have a list of tilables, you know. But if I do this, opposition is kind of useless, right? Yeah. But I'm gonna do it anyway, and we will work that afterwards. But, so let's do fields, right? And here let's do yeah. So field, yeah. But for the remove it's a little bit more complicated. So or I index this by some kind of a position. For now I'm just gonna ignore it. Yeah. Do I need the field here? I'm not even sure actually. Oh, for fuck's sake. I should really think before doing stuff like this, right? Yeah, actually I don't, so... Yeah. Yeah, so this will return false by default, right? Let's go for all of this. Oh yeah, and this is all static also. Yeah. Yeah. So how can we check if we have a plant very quickly? I think we can by using the bucket. Yeah, table by types, right? Yeah, actually we don't have a way to check this quickly. Well, maybe. Get tradable odds. Yeah, I don't really have a way to do this quickly. I guess the fastest way we can do this. How can it? What? This is wrong. This should return. How is this working? Because this should return multiple tables, right? Position, yeah, but yeah, I guess no. This should be an array, right? Oh no, because yeah, I'm stupid. Yeah, that's not how my system works. Sorry, I was lost because yeah. So we do have a way to do this quickly. Yeah. Where is this shit? We can do lucky.grid, .map, .grids. Yeah. Yeah, that's why we did the refactoring in episode 2, actually. So that's not get bucket, that's get tailable. Why do I don't have get tailable? I guess I can do it manually, but tailable grid, right? Which is a layer grid, which has a property get tailable, no? Yeah. So I should be able to do this, right? Or maybe we do. Okay. Yeah. So we need to check if plan.state equal area.def what? Oh yeah. This should work. Yeah. Yeah. This is just right, and this one. I guess we need to set that in field. Where is field? Yeah, this should. Yeah, we can't have a stockpile in the Noir the same, so this should always be a field. Yeah, that's not bad. Okay, so yeah. So here we can do, instead of this, we can do actually we can do this, right? Which is that yeah. each fucking time. So we have our conditions. Yeah. Let's just do the cutting for now. Yeah. So let's do here. Yeah, so if we are here, we know we have something to cut, right? So we need a kind of function who... is this a bucket result? No, I don't think so. No, this is just tailable, so... Yeah, maybe I need to make some more, so to separate this in multiple files, because I want, what do I want? A static tailable, yeah. Actually, I want to plant here. Yeah, that's not field plans to cut. Right, and I want the player position. Right, so yeah, and this is gonna be slow, I think. What is it? Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay. Don't cast this up. Let's choose the two table. Yeah. Okay. So here we can do target equal no, I don't remember how this works. I'm trying to act like I do, but yeah. So this is bucket result, all details, define expand to cut, this, dot caret, this, dot character, dot position, yeah, if result dot result, right, yeah, and here we return something, a task, right. So the task is cut, the target reader, this is okay. Well, this should be working, okay. Oh yeah. Why? No. Yeah. But, yeah. But this could, yeah. I can just do, yeah. Okay. I can just do this, right? Yeah, so I need to go to the task now. Yeah. I'm gonna add some new task. I'm wondering if this is useless. What let's do cut, harvest, worker, and yeah, because we can add some effect later that should take this here. So task. What do I missing? So here. Cut, harvest, so cut, I guess. Cut, harvest, cut. So, okay, and here. Oh, this should, yeah. No, this is not it. Yeah, yeah. Right, now I need to create a task for the cutting. Oh, sorry, that's not what I wanted to do. Let's cut. So, this should be a plant. Yeah. This should be, yeah, scalable.destroy is right, but it's not this plant. Here, obviously, we should have some roots when we destroy a plant or some stuff like this, right? But I guess we can just do right, but this does not exist, right, for now. Right. I have a destroy function. Yeah, I'm gonna do a cut function. We'll just for now. Yeah. So what they should do now, if this is if all I did is correct. What is your problem? Test tip does not contain a definition for cut. What? Yes, it does. But yeah, but from where? Where do I use cut without? Oh, yeah. So I guess I should cut the plants now. You right? Or not? Oh yeah, but yeah, of course. Where are my humans? Here. Yeah. So here I need to do why not? That's not. New. Node. Yeah. Yeah, but for the function here, basically we need to know if we have work to do. So for now I'm gonna do something really shitty. Yeah, but I need to find a better way to do this. But yeah, basically if one of this is true, right? But maybe I can do a virtual property or stuff like this, but for now I'm gonna do well, actually, I'm gonna do this for now. Because I don't have the other job set, but yeah. So here I can do just it is yeah. What? What is undefined? Wait, what? So, 52, right? Oh. Yeah. This doesn't make sense. Yeah. That's my bad. Fuck this. I don't know. What? How is this? So, world details 29, right? Yeah. Yeah, that's the same problem. Okay, but are they cutting stuff? They are not moving. Maybe don't start in the... don't start in the spawning in the area. I just want to see if you move towards the good position. Yeah, I'm doing some stupid shit. I was wondering when my area didn't move, but I did not move, change the area. I changed the player spawn last time. So nobody is moving. That's kind of funny. Just, do you have a path at least? Yeah, no. Oh, I think I have an idea why, but if that is my system is really shitty. I think I'm not sure, but yeah, the default passcode is 1. But that means in a type property. So that's not the problem. I think. Unless we define the block path to true by default. But I don't think we do. We define the fertility to 0, so yeah, that's kind of bad. Why do I do that? Fertility should be 1, right? But that changes nothing, just now. What is your problem? How can I debug this? They just don't move, so I guess I should check. So that means this is core, right? Because if I remove this, that means they enter this condition, right? Because if I remove this, they will move. Yeah. So they go here. They go in the grow node, right? And so they go here. They go here. So then we check the cut node first. So yeah, is this called? Yeah. I need to make a real string for this, but sure. Well, actually, let's do something like this. Do they all have the same? Yeah, that's a kind of a problem, but that's not the main problem. Actually, no, I don't know why. Do I? Well, maybe they should return the target then, but because oh yeah, I need to check this. Yeah. Yeah, this is really shitty. I need to do a better system for this, but for now, like I said, I just want this to work. What? Why? So do they still have the same? Now they are moving. And that means everything is reserved? I need a way to check the reserved type. So I have something called debug utilities. Somewhere, yeah. Yeah, sure. Oh. Yeah. That's annoying, actually. Will this work? Yeah, no. That's not Python, right? Yeah, because this can be null, right? Well, this can be undefined. Okay. So that's correct. That's reserved, right? They need to cut this, maybe. I don't know how they only cut the tree, but well, actually, I do know why. That's reserved because support wants to go here, I guess. And nothing is never freed, but yeah, I don't care about it. So, but why are they not going here? Yeah. So, yeah. Let's do this for now. That's not the problem, but I just want this to... Yeah, so when they move, they should... Yeah, okay, this is clean after... so that's correct. But why are they not going here? I just want... Yeah, so why are you not going here? And why this is not... Oh, I remove the debug, sure. So I only have one of this, so that's correct. So now my only question is why are you not moving and cutting this? Did I remove this? So I have to try to cut, but this is never called. Okay, is this called? It should be called. So the start is called. I guess. Where do I define the target type? I'm sure this is something shitty like this, right? No, the default style. I know. It's because this is a fucking tree. So, because this is a tree, we can go on so this will always fail. Because we have no path to get to the tree. Yeah. Yeah. That's the problem. Yeah. So... How is this called? I don't know. Target type. Yeah, makes sense. I'm gonna do this for all of this because I don't know. But I'm not even sure we handle this in target? I guess we do. Maybe. Yeah, or not. So I guess when we do yeah. So when we do we start with the next always? I guess so. So Where do I do this? Maybe here? Oh, fuck this. Oh. Yeah. Oh. I'm gonna do something really shitty. Yeah. That still doesn't talk because yeah, we need to make this in the character. So in the character brain, because we need the current position of the player. So we do get a task. Yeah, we start the task. How did I did this in my old code? I think I did this in... I don't remember actually. So I did not do this in the brain. I did not do this in task. Yeah, I did this in the task last, which kind of makes sense. But yeah, I guess I could do this here, but yeah, but that does not work either, so... What do I do if I have multiple targets here? Nothing. Yeah. So for now I'm gonna do something like this, right? I'm gonna do this, but I need to do, when we implement the next, I need to... When we implement next, I need to think about doing this. Yeah, so this is working, they cut the plants, right? But they don't cut the grass. So I guess this is because we use a different layer for buff, I think. Let me check. Yeah, tree. And actually we are... Oh yeah. So now what I'm gonna do is copy... Well, did I do that already? Or... Yeah, no. Resource, textures, plants, sure. Yeah. No. What? Oh yeah. Texture, plants. Yeah. How is this possible? I don't know. But yeah, sure. This can, I think. So high quality 128 clamp. Yeah, sure. So I need to add the carrot. Yeah, sure. Let's let's do something like this just for now. So I should have carrots on the map, or not? Yeah, I guess I have an error in naming. 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so what? How did what my... I need to do something like this. I don't remember what I did. Yeah. That's weird. That's not gonna work either, I think. Oh yeah, it's working, but it's really weird. So they cut the carrots, right? But what is happening? What's my naming convention for this shit? Plant. So dev.graphics, right? But don't what? So I don't understand my project anymore. So we do update graphics, right? Yeah, but we never override the texture, so how does this work? Oh yeah, I remember. Oh yeah, because I want to... Oh yeah, I remember what I did. Yeah, so... Yeah, okay. Let's rename this. Yeah, but... Actually... Yeah, that's why it's working like this, okay. Yeah, because I wanted to be free to add any numbers of states, right? If you see here, state, we have 5 states, right? Yeah, so for now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna name this 0, I'm gonna name this 1, and we'll do this later, right? 0, and the 3 should be good, I guess. So we should have some small carrots, right? Yeah, okay. So they are cutting the carrot, but actually I want something different. I want them to cut the... the grass, so... But this is because this is defined yeah, like this, and maybe I don't want so many carrots in the environment too. Well, that's a detail, but let's do probability, right? Yeah, that's better. And this texture is so shitty, yeah. I need my good grass texture. I'm gonna take this one, and so I'm gonna move this. I'll treat the same, right? So where is the texture I used? Yeah, so now they're cutting everything except carrots, which makes sense. But let me get back the texture I want. I'm gonna take it on GitHub. Firewall, that's it. File. Also, texture, plant, grass. Yeah. Let's do this. That's the one I drawed while filming. Yeah, so that's better. So yeah, now they are. Yeah, now they are cutting stuff. Yeah. I'm gonna use this, but yeah, I'm gonna use this for now, but this will change. I'm gonna do this in sorry. Default 128, right. So now we need a way to prepare the dirt. So in field, I guess. Where is field? Here, right? We are gonna do yeah, rubric void prepare work dot and I guess I'm gonna do something like this. Yeah. I'm gonna do, well, I do have a graphic definition, so that's good. Color set white. Default color, I don't care. Yeah. Not white is fine. And this will be dirt ready. And this will be dirt. So now I need to in world utils need the same shit here, right? So yeah, field next tile to dirt, right? And this is yeah, this should be a table also. Oh, this would not work. Okay. So now in GrowNode, I can do here actually. right. Okay. Actually, let's put all of this in the same file now. For now. Okay. Yeah, this I need to fix better. Okay, let's see if they put dirt on the ground. So they will cut first, everything except the carrot. Oh yeah, I know why, because there is no more jobs, because I did not do here. Yeah. The guy was not present in the dictionary. $52. Yeah, how can this be? Task dirt. No. Well, actually, let's rename this. Yeah, okay. Yeah. This should not be possible, but I guess for now. Why is it slow all of a sudden? Because they are doing it, but this is not now. Let me check something, because I think I found a bug. Yeah, this should be set here, but I mean, yeah. Just a bug fix right now, but it's kind of important. I don't know why this is so slow, but so they are doing it, but it's not visible. Why? It's working for the plants, so I guess I need to call up the graphics, but the graphics is empty, so yeah. Because the graphics is just, yeah. So I guess that makes sense, but what? Why is it so slow, for fuck's sake? Sure, it's transmission. Yeah. See? So why? Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. I know why. Yeah. So what I need to do is do this. it should work, right? But I don't know because I don't update this. Why is it so slow? Well, it's not that slow actually, but yeah, so but I don't like this. Well, plus I just need to reset matrix, right? But and destroy. How do I do this and destroy? Oh yeah. Okay. Sorry, that's been a long time since I work on my visual engine, so. So they cut everything, and then they put dirt, right? Yeah. That's kind of what I want. Yeah, this is so shitty. That's why I had the multiple sprite for this, so maybe I will go back to multiple sprite, but for now let's do this. Yeah. So now, what do we need? The last one we'll do today is yeah. And actually this is yeah, I need to do this also. Yeah. Okay. So actually just a position, I guess, but yeah. I'm gonna still add the field because we have a field for yeah. Yeah, sure. Why is my OBS going crazy right now? I don't know. Sure. Right. Yeah, I know this is undefined. So what I should do here is I kind of need the area also. I could get the area here, but yeah, this is kind of shitty. Actually, yeah, I guess this should work. Well, I'm sure I forgot something, but why is this so slow? I don't understand. Yeah, except they are growing adult carrots now. So why? Because here, if random grow is false, where do I say the ticks are 0? I have some idea for why this is slow, but so that should be BB carrots, right? Yeah, why is this not in the center? Well, anyway, this will not be the final texture for this, so I don't really care, but still. Yeah, I don't know. I guess in my old game, yeah. So, yeah. Okay. So we'll do the harvesting later, because I need some UI stuff to increase the speed and stuff like this, but yeah, basically that's how our game is gonna work. Obviously, as usual, there is a lot of optimization to be done, but for now I'm going for something functional, right? Even if we need to reduce the size of the map, because the map is huge right now. But yeah. I just wanted before this in area, yeah, to change the color of, yeah. I just want something you say to the player, like, we have a growing area, but I don't want something to, yeah, this is perfect. So yeah, they are cutting all the plants. Obviously some of them will have some loot later. Yeah, I need to fix this shit, but we'll do that next time. So, because, let me explain this. In my previous version of the game, instead of just changing the size of the vegetables, we had multiple texture, right? We have the small one was this one, then the bigger one, then the full one. So, yeah, I need to make some decision, maybe make a hybrid system of the buff, right? We have 3 graphic states and 5 real states, or some stuff like this. Yeah, anyway, hope you enjoy. I'm sorry I can't make a video like this every day, because I don't have the free time to do this. But yeah, hope some people are still following this. And if you're interested, you can support me on Patreon, or just like the video. Thanks, have a good day, bye bye.